Alright, 13:52 p.m. I had a great shit. Yeah, so first book is 2015's Tractor: Definitive Visual History, and this has hardcover, and this is also has two exclusive art prints. That's pretty awesome. It's okay. And of course, John Deere. Why am I not surprised? So, there's your synopsis. So let's run this index off. Hop on your TV to check all this cool shit out. Because I am running this bastard off cover to cover. Oh, man. Do I like tractors? They're okay. There's only one that I actually really like, and I don't know if it'll be in here or not, but it should be. Yeah. But for those of you that have your own farms and your own land and all that shit, you'll enjoy this book. Yeah. To some extent, you'll enjoy it. So, let's see what we got in here. Oh boy, a tractor. Oh boy. Table of contents. And it's only 254 pages, I guess. Oh, that's nice. So you got your key events, and like every other book I've covered with vehicles, you got date, origin, engine, cylinders, horsepower. So, and spreads throughout too, so there you go. So if you wanted your whole history of tractors, here you go. If you are reading this while sitting on a tractor, congratulations. It is fascinating, though, how far along just general industry has changed with vehicles. And whether it's a tractor, a car, a truck, whatever, you know? It's fun seeing the evolution. But me personally, I don't really need a tractor. Nah, I'm not a tractor kind of guy. I mean, I can act like I want a tractor, but I don't really need it that badly. Riding around town on my fucking tractor like I own the joint. It's an interesting layout. And of course, tractors kind of paved the way for tanks. Ooh, that needs taped. I'll fix that then. I forgot to fix the other book before I sent it back. I was disappointed in myself. I'm like, damn it, I forgot. Well, that's adorable. Yeah, I'm always fascinated by what brands there are and design layouts as well. That's always interesting to me the most. Because, yeah, everybody knows John Deere, Ford, all that shit. But there's always other brands that were better in design, better in performance, better just in the way they were presented and what they did for that time frame. And even today, some of them are still running hard. Because people took care of them, they were easy to maintain, and they didn't cause as many problems. So, yeah. If you're not a tractor enthusiast, you're going to hate this book. You're going to be like, Jesus Christ, why did I even click on this channel? Because you wanted to see a book review. Just not the one you were expecting. Just saying. Well, that's pretty neat. where I live, it's a lot of farmland, so yeah, there's tractors abound now and then. Oh, let's see. I've seen that one. Definitely a lot of John Deere around the area, too. So I see the smaller ones, the bigger ones. Just, it always varies. Ford now and then. So it's always enticing to see what pops up. Oh boy, more ripped pages. Hooray. I love repairing these books. I really do, though. Like, it's fun. But it also sucks because it's like, damn it, I'm gonna kill my tape. Even my Carnival, if you've seen the videos of my Carnival over the years, yeah, they always have tractors in there. Yep. Even a backhoe now and then, because when we get snow, if we get snow, that's cool. That one too. They use them to plow the snow and then haul it up the street and dump it in the park. Because the park's closed, so it's easier to dump everything in there without issue. And then it just melts over the winter into spring. Nice. I actually like the look of that one. Cat, most popular brand. No, that's pretty cool. Pink tractor. Yeah, I would have a pink tractor. I like pink. It's my favorite color. But if you don't care for tractors, you hate this book, that's cool. You don't have to enjoy this, it's alright. But I like the fact that they include engines in the back. That's helpful. And they didn't have my tractor in here. That's kind of sad. Oh well. Entry glossary of terms. Index. And the last page, so that's done. So I will tape this after I'm done running the books off. And I'll be back later with comics that I've read, so stay tuned for more.